In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer in Elementor on WordPress. Editing the footer of your website is a simple yet effective way to enhance your site's overall appearance and user experience. Whether you want to add important information, adjust the design, or ensure your branding is consistent throughout, refining the footer is a great place to start. First, we're going to begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your website essentially, where all the editing magic happens. Once you're in, let's navigate to the left-hand sidebar and locate the Templates section. Hover over it, and you should see an option labeled Theme Builder. Click on that. Once you're in the Theme Builder, you'll find several tabs at the top. What you want to do here is click on Footer. This directs you to the section where you can view, edit, or create a new footer for your site. If you already have a footer in place, you'll notice it listed here, and you can go ahead and press the Edit button that appears when you hover over it. However, if you want to start fresh, click on the Add New button to create a new footer template. Enter a name for your footer, something that describes its purpose like Main Site Footer, before clicking Create Template. You'll now find yourself in the Elementor editor. This is where you'll be doing all the customizations. You should see a selection of pre-designed blocks that can serve as the building blocks of your footer, or if you prefer starting from scratch, feel free to close that library. Begin by dragging and dropping widgets onto your canvas from the Elementor's widget panel on the left. These widgets can range from text and images to icons, forms, and more. It's all about what best fits your design needs and provides value to your visitors. As you customize, pay attention to the layout, color scheme, font, and overall aesthetics to make sure they align with your brand. It's often helpful to include essential links such as privacy policy, contact us, or social media icons for easier navigation and better engagement. Once you're satisfied with the changes and are certain everything is working smoothly, it's time to publish your masterpiece. Simply click the green Publish button on the bottom left corner, and then you'll be prompted to set conditions. At this stage, you want to set it to appear entire site if you want the footer to be global. Once you've configured this setting, hit the Save Close button. And just like that, you've successfully edited your footer in Elementor on WordPress. Before signing off, it's always a good practice to preview your website to ensure that everything looks right on different devices, especially since today's web traffic includes a substantial amount from mobile users. That wraps it up for today's tutorial. Remember, a well-crafted footer is key to leaving a lasting impression on your visitors. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.